Hey, Edgars from Funneltopia here, and in this video, we're going to quickly set up a subdomain that people are going to need to use to log into the community. So before we set up the community and connect it to the page we just created, we're actually going to need to something similar to the domain setup. It will be something really simple and quick as well, but we need to do that in order for us to then have a community that we can kind of, share with people and they can log in. So yeah, let's quickly do that. So the first thing you want to do is obviously you want to log into your domain hosting service, whatever it is. It's Cloudflare on our end, but whatever it might be on your end, GoDaddy, Namecheap, whatever, the usual. The principle will stay the same. The layout is slightly different, but it will stay the same. And yeah, over here, you in the Funneltopia backend, what you want to do is you want to go to memberships, communities, settings. So we're going to set up a custom domain. Like by default, there's like a domain that comes with it. So like in this case, I've typed in Good Corgi, which is like the business name. And it's like this weird link here, right? Or we can create a custom one, which in this case will be hub.goodcorgi.com. So we're kind of creating one. Obviously, we have the basic domain, right? That's like kind of like the main domain, but we're going to create a subdomain for the login. So it can be hub, portal, members, membership, whatever you choose it to be. But in this case, it's going to be hub. So what you want to do is you want to write in this full thing, right? And then we're going to create like a record in the domain hosting provider on Cloudflare. So in this case, as you can see at the bottom, you only need to insert one of the records. So we're just going to do the A record, and let's just basically we're just going to paste in this thing. And yeah, let's create one for this subdomain. So let's go to Cloudflare. Let's select our domain, which is the main domain is Good Corgi. Then we go to DNS records. And now we're going to create a new record for this specific subdomain. So it's A, then it's going to be hub, and then we're going to insert this thing, this IP address type of thing. Let's paste it in, proxy off as before, and let's do save. So let's go back here to Funneltopia, and we're going to update domain. Domain setting updated. Usually takes a bit, up to an hour, probably less, but we can go try it out now. Let's copy this thing. Let's just try it out. Sometimes it works right away. So yeah, as you can see, I'm logged in already, but by default, it's going to look something like this. So it's going to look like this. When we're going to be setting up our kind of like our membership for the Good Corgi followers, and then kind of like the mailing list and all our community, we're going to be setting up the community, and obviously we're going to customize this page. We're going to customize the community itself, and that's all that stuff is going to be in the next video. But this is pretty straightforward, as you saw. Sometimes it doesn't, when you click update, it doesn't update, so you can just click a couple times and usually it goes through. If not, if you still got stuck after this, you can just click on the icon here below and then just go for the 24/7 chat support if you got stuck at any point, and we're just going to try to help you as quickly as possible. But if not, I'll see you in the next video where we set up the community.